What's up YouTube, welcome to a new video. My name is Prince Mason. I know the setup is pretty different from the setup you guys see all the time. I'm in the studio right now and I just decided to set up here instead of moving everything back into the office where I typically do my videos. But today we're going to be talking about a few side hustles that you can do as a photographer. Some of these side hustles I've done myself, a few of my friends have done. So let's get straight into today's video. Now, the first side hustle I am going to talk about is selling photography gear. Now, it does not have to be cameras, it can be cameras, whatever it is. Selling photography gear is a lucrative business because there are a ton of photographers out there, both professional photographers and upcoming photographers. Now, if you're not in the States and you're in Africa, you can help people get photography gear down if you have your connect. Now, I did that for a while. I ran a company called Camtech. Now, I stopped running Camtech because I did not have enough time to do that. It wasn't such a big business that I could do with like a lot of people. At the same time, it was getting difficult bringing things into Nigeria for a lot of people, and I just decided to stop the business and concentrate on my YouTube, which is, another side hustle, but we'll get to that later in the video. So you can just buy photography gear, bring it down to Nigeria, sell it or different parts of Africa. Now, if you're in the States and you're looking to sell photography gear, you can do what people call, or what they call, drop shipping. Drop shipping is literally not having any stock and helping people get gear from other people when they pay you for it. So you can use Shopify to open a store and all these things. Now, when it comes to selling gear, it really doesn't have to be expensive gear like cameras and lenses. You can be selling octa boxes, reflectors, all these things that are out there that photographers buy every day. You can just sell really, really small gear and you make a ton of money from doing that. So selling gear is number one on my list. Number two is offering retouching services. Now, I did this for a little bit and then stopped because, for me, it wasn't really like something that I love doing, like retouching for other people, but I did do it for a while and I made some money off that. Now, if you love retouching, this is an amazing business opportunity for you because there are a ton of photographers out there that do not know how to retouch, or some just do not want to retouch. They just would rather spend more time on the field shooting instead of retouching. So if you're an amazing retoucher, you've been following me, you've been learning a lot of things here on my YouTube channel, you can actually take that, channel it into making money. You can just start a retouching page on Instagram, reach out to photographers, tell them you can retouch their images. And if your work is really good, trust me, you're going to be getting a ton of images from photographers to retouch every day. You can charge between $20 to $100, maybe even more, $100 to actually retouch people's work. So number two, like I said, is running a retouching service. Number three is renting out your gear. Now, this is one that I would not advise you to do if you only own one camera, but if you're someone that owns a few cameras, a few lights, just laying around, and you have people that want to rent, just start like a small rental company with your gear. There are a ton of photographers that need, really good cameras, really good lights out there that do not have the money to invest in it right away, but sometimes they get jobs and they would like to get like really nice gear to shoot those jobs. So starting a rental company is a really, really lucrative business. You can check out like a lot of rental houses. They started really small and right now they own big businesses that are renting out Red cameras, they're renting out like cinema cameras, big Canon lenses, lights, aperture 300Ds, but they started with just, probably 2-3 cameras. So it's something you should look at, start a rental business. Now, if you are in Africa, Lagos, Nigeria to be precise, and you're looking to start a rental company, make sure you have somebody that's always going to go out with your gear. If not, your gear is going to get missing, and Prince Mason did not tell you to start anything. Yeah. Number four is renting out your studio space. Now, if you own a studio space and you're not using it all the time, you can rent it out to other photographers. There are a lot of photographers that would love to shoot in a really nice space, especially if your space is really nice. Photographers would rather take their clients to spaces that are really nice than shoot at home. It just depends on you. So if you can fix your studio up, make it look really nice, I'm pretty sure you're going to get a lot of photographers that will come and rent your space. Just make sure it is affordable because photographers, you and I know that we don't like to pay a lot of money for space. We'd rather just shoot in our houses, but if the space is pretty nice, I'm pretty sure there are a lot of people that will come and rent, the space. Anyways, let's move on to number five. Number five is teaching photography. Now, a lot of people do not want to learn photography on YouTube. Trust me, I've met people that have said, go to my YouTube page, I teach photography, I teach retouching for free on my YouTube page, and they would say, no, we would rather come meet you one-on-one and learn with you, that they learn better that way. So you can charge a premium for that. You can teach people how to retouch, teach people photography, and charge a premium for being there by yourself instead of YouTube and all these other platforms that, you know, they're not there with you. Anyways, teaching is one of the biggest ways to make money right now. So many people are looking to learn different skills. So many people are looking to learn photography, retouching, and like I said, a lot of people don't like YouTube. So reach out to these people, or these people will reach out to you if your work is really good. Charge them a premium for your time. They are going to be there teaching them, and you make a lot of money. You never can tell. You can be the Prince Mason of real life and not YouTube. Now, another way you can make money is by selling presets. If you have really nice presets. Now, I sell presets online to you guys and have actions that I sell to. So shameless plug, definitely check out my skin tone lots, check out my creative color lots and my tropical color lots, and also check out my retouching essentials pack. I'm pretty sure you guys will love it if you use it, because I use it to retouch all my images. So yeah, selling presets, lots, actions. If you're really good at what you do and you have like a distinct style, I'm pretty sure there are people that will pay to be able to get your type of style on their images. So put that at the back of your mind. You can sell lots, like I said, all these things. You can sell all this stuff. I use Sellfy. You can go register on Sellfy too and sell your stuff. If you have an audience and you have people that are looking to, you know, replicate your style, people that really love your style. So these are, how many did we go over? 5, 6, I don't know. But these are really nice side hustles you can do as a photographer. Now, it does not have to just be photography. You can do other things. You can sell other things. You can start other companies. The fact that you're a photographer, you need to understand that you have branding right here in your hands. So if you decide that you want to sell t-shirts, you can take amazing pictures of those t-shirts and sell them. If you decide that you want to sell some type of product, you can take amazing product pictures of those items and sell them. As a photographer, you are not limited to just photography. I am just coming here to talk about 5 or 6 side hustles that kind of like, you know, align with photography that you can do as a photographer. Now, like I said, there's so many things that you can do. It's just, the boundaries are just like limitless when it comes to photography. You can join a team of people and just be a photographer in that business and bring your branding and your amazing image capturing skills to the table. So many people are looking for you. And yeah, anyways, I hope you're at home. I hope you're staying safe. It's crazy out there. I hope everybody that's watching this channel is safe. I love you guys. Thank you so much for all the support. This is just me saying, you know, these are a few things that you guys can do to make more money, especially, you know, this period where things are kind of tough for a lot of people. Anyways, thank you so much for watching today's video. I really appreciate it. I hope you guys love this content. If you do, give it a thumbs up. Also comment below. Let me know if you have any other side hustles that you want to share with other people. I'll see you guys in the next video. Have an amazing week. Peace.